Welcome to what locals know as the world's safest beach, close to Santa Claus Lane, minutes to Carpinteria State Beach, and close proximity to Downtown Carpenteria. The community grounds are meticulously maintained and manicured. Enjoy a private gated entry finished with Mexican-style tiles. Breath in deep and exhale relaxation upon stepping into this Zen living space. Features in this open and airy living room include plantation shutters, tracked lighting and newer Berber carpeting. The most discerning chefs will love the utility of this updated kitchen. Kitchen features include laminate flooring, which cabinets with custom pulls, granite countertops, and a newer full-sized stackable washer and dryer. This natural light is tremendous, no gloomy dark here. This private patio nestled in green plants and views of common area greenbelts beyond. The master bedroom is like a blank canvas, clean, white and ready for a buyer to add their personal touch. With the privacy of its own master bathroom. So clean. Having a window in the shower is as practical as it is beautiful. There is second spacious bathroom with a bathtub. Enjoy the breathtaking beautiful views every time you go to the private 2-car garage. The community pool is stunning. A great summer gathering place for your family, friends, and neighbors. Great recreation for the little ones. The park-like grounds will inspire you to bring out the blanket and enjoy the surrounding of your home.